Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now in this video, we are going to discuss only 3 changes that have been introduced to the bundle themes in WordPress 5.9. Now the bundle themes are basically the themes that comes with the WordPress installation. These are basically default WordPress themes. We are only going to discuss 3 changes, and the first change that we are going to discuss is the changes to the comment form for the logged in user. This change has been introduced in in the 2019 theme and the 2021 theme. So we already have the 2021 theme installed on both WordPress 5.8 installation and WordPress 5.9 installation, and let's just see the changes. Now in WordPress 5.8, the comment section for a logged in user looks something like this. You can see I am logged in, and in WordPress 5.9, this has changed. Okay, the first thing that you will notice is that there are 2 links. One is for the logged in as, and the second one is to log out. After that, there is a message that tells you this field, the comment field, is required. Okay, and then there is an asterisk sign on top of it. Now this is the first change, and you can clearly see these things are not over here. So this is the first change that you will see in both 2019 and 2021 theme. Now the next change that has been introduced in WordPress 5.9 is for the privacy policy page. Now before WordPress 5.9, when you set a page as the privacy policy for your website, it didn't display in the footer. It wasn't basically showing up automatically in the footer. Now this has changed in WordPress 5.9. So what I'm going to do here is I have created 2 privacy policy page, and these are the default privacy policy page that comes with the WordPress installation. So I have published those pages, and I've set one in WordPress 5.8, and I've set the second one in WordPress 5.9. I'll show you the difference. So here is the WordPress 5.8 tab. I'll go ahead and I'll click use this page. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this tab, which is the WordPress 5.8 tab, and you will see that there is no privacy policy page being linked through the footer. Now this is not the case in WordPress 5.9. This has changed basically. Now you will see basically a page will appear over here. I'll go here, I'll click use this page. You can see it has been automatically been applied, and you will see the privacy policy page over here. So this is another change. Now the last change that has been introduced in WordPress 5.9 for the bundled themes is the support for the WA.ME links. Now this is for the 2020 and 2017 themes. Now before WordPress 5.9, if you used WA.ME links, then WhatsApp icon didn't used to appear. Now but this has changed in WordPress 5.9. And to demonstrate this, what I have done is I have installed the 2020 theme, and then I am in the customizer. So here I'll have to create a new menu, and then we'll go ahead and see the change. So for creating a new menu, what I'll do is I'll click menus, I'll see view all locations. I'm going to create a new menu over here, select the social menu location, and I'm going to name it social as well. You can name it whatever is that you want to do, but I'll be naming it social just for these purposes. Then I'm going to click add items. I'm going to click search, add the link here. Text. I'm going to add just W over here for reference, and I'm going to click add to menu. Click publish. Now what you will see here is the WhatsApp icon. Now this is the change that has been introduced in WordPress 5.9. Now that when you will use WA.ME links for WhatsApp, it will show you the WhatsApp icon. Okay, so this is the change. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.